Here we have this super easy to set up camp chair. So let's just get it out right now. And very, very easy, lightweight, not too heavy, so perfect for car camping or a weekend trip. And we have this nice little strap to keep it all together. So there we go, and it kind of sets itself up almost. So there we go. Stick these through, boom. Very, very quick setup. There we go. And last one. So there we have the frame. And then all we have to do is set this guy up. So you're just gonna slip this over, and very easy. Slip that over there. And then we even have this little thing you can pull. There we go, I'll show you. Really easy. Boom. There, we're done. So lightweight, look at that, super lightweight. And it has this waterproof material, as you can see, so really great. And then you got your nice camp chair. So look at that. And you can kind of lean in a little bit. You're not gonna tip over. It's really hard for me. Can't really get it to tip over, so look at that. I mean, this is great. Great for camping and whatnot. So it's a really great chair, very easy to set up, like I said. Super, super simple, and it's so lightweight. I mean, look at that. So I definitely recommend this. This is great. And then the takedown is so easy as well. So you're just gonna pop this off. There you go. And then just pull everything off. And that easy, that fast. Just a little hard trying to get all these guys in there. Go around, whoops. This way. Might need to just try one more time. There we go. And then we have this. That fast, that easy. And there we go. So super easy, super simple. I guess I could have done a little better so that didn't stick out. Forgot to do that, but oh well, but that easy.